Hi friends, this is Naveen from AK Sprint Education. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The topic that we are going to look today is the most important diagrams which may give in public examinations. Most important diagram is reverberatory furnace. Children, so which is an easiest diagram? You can draw it easily. You can see the parts of the figure. This is the diagram of reverberatory furnace. We have here firebox and hearth. This part is hearth and where we kept ore, and also this is heat here, and waste gases chimney. This is the waste gas chimney, right? So you need to do labeling as well as. So children, the most important point is drawing the diagram carries 1.5 mark and labeling it carries half mark. So total marks assigned is 1.5 plus half mark, which is equal to 2 marks. So after drawing the diagram, you need to labeling it, right? So this is the diagram of reverberatory furnace. Okay children. Second diagram is draw a diagram of magnetic separation and label the parts. You can see that magnetic separation, the diagram you need to practice a lot children so that you can draw it easily. So parts of the figures are powdered ore where we place in this stand, non-magnetic wheel, moving belt, magnetic wheel, non-magnetic ore and magnetic ore. Okay, so draw the diagram. It carries 1.5 mark and labeling it carries half mark. Total marks assigned 1.5 plus half, that is equal to 2 marks. This is the diagram of magnetic separation. Magnetic separation, right? Coming to third diagram, draw the diagram of froth flotation process for the concentration of sulfide ores and label the parts. This is the diagram of froth flotation process, which is mainly used for sulfide ores. Here we have compressed air will pass through over here, and sulfide ore particles. These are sulfide ore particles, and water containing pine oil as well as gangue. Fourth bubbles carrying sulfide ore particles. Okay, this diagram. Drawing the diagram carries 1.5 mark and labeling it carries half mark. Total marks assigned is 2 marks children. Next one is draw the diagram showing rusting or corrosion occurs only in presence of air and water and label the parts. Children, we know that this is also a most important 8 mark question. So in figure A, air is present as well as water is also present. So you can see that rusting of iron articles, right? And whereas in figure B we have air, so it will not pass through because we have kept layer of oil and boiled distilled water. In figure C we have dry air and hydrous calcium chloride. So draw the diagram properly children. Drawing the diagram carries 1.5 mark and labeling it carries half mark. Total marks assigned is 2 marks. So this is the corrosion or rusting of iron articles. Next one is draw a simple electric circuit and label the parts. So you can see the parts of the figure children. So this is our bulb and these are circuit wires. This K is the key and B is the battery. This is our battery and I is the current passing through the wire. Okay children, this is our simple electric circuit diagram. Okay, 2 marks category. Drawing it carries 1 marks and labeling carries 1 mark. Total marks is 2 marks. The next question is, next diagram is draw a circuit diagram to show that the ratio V by I is a constant for a conductor and label the parts. You can see the diagram here. Here we kept magnetic wire. We are maintaining a potential difference between ends of the conductor. This is our battery, ammeter, which is used to measure the current. key and current is passing through the wire, right? So here drawing the diagram carries 1 mark and labeling carries 1 mark. Total marks assigned is 2 marks. Okay children. Next, draw the diagram for an electromagnetic wave and label the parts. So as electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other here, you need to draw the diagram properly. So here the distance between two successive crests are rough, that is called wavelength, and 2 is our electric field. This is our electric field, and this dashed line magnetic field, and this third one is direction of the wave, right? Since drawing carries 1 mark and labeling carries 1 mark, total marks assigned is 2 marks. Next question, draw the diagram of myopic eye showing formation of image and reflection of the defect of eye with a suitable lens. See here, this M is called far point and L is called LDDV, least distance of distant vision. Image is formed before retina. If a person is suffering with myopia, image formed before retina, right? Now second one is M is far point, L is LDDV. See, we kept here, so image is formed in front of the retina only, right? Now third one is correction of myopia. So we are using here concave lens. We are using concave lens. Because of concave lens, they are going to form image on the retina. So this first diagram and third diagrams are very important children. Okay. So first diagram is showing far point. Showing far point, right? The next diagram is draw the diagram showing the correction of defect of vision hypermetropia. How to correct hypermetropia? By using convex lens, biconvex lens. You can see here, this is our normal lens, and here we are using biconvex lens, which is used to correct the hypermetropia. So there H is called near point and L is called least distance of distant vision. Children, when you are drawing diagram, be careful. So better you use a coin so that you can draw it easily. So hypermetropia, we need to use convex lens, but whereas for myopia, we need to use concave lens, right? Try to differentiate that too. The next important diagram is reaction of zinc granules with dilute HCl in laboratory. See children, delivery tube, hydrogen gas, testing of hydrogen gas, soap water, dilute HCl, zinc granules, test tube and sand, right? Stand children. So as they are asking this question for 8 mark question, so diagram plays a crucial role. When you draw the diagram and label it, you will get easily full out of full. Okay, don't forget to draw this diagram children. See children, complete the diagram and draw the image. As they will give diagram like this, we need to draw the image. If you see the diagram properly, so this is the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. Second ray of light which is passing through the center of curvature. After reflection, it does not deviate its path. So what we need to do, we need to extend them towards back hand side of the mirror. So they are going to intersect at this point. To get complete image, we need to draw perpendicular to the principal axis. They are going to meet at this point, right? In this way, they are asking complete the diagram and draw the image they will ask. Children, which is an easiest question, they may ask this type of diagrams as well as. As you all know children, diagrams plays a crucial role to get full out of full children. Okay, don't forget to draw the diagram, practice the diagrams well so that you will get good marks. So students, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends children. Thank you.